friends, happy 4th of July. This is going to be Off My Shoulders episode 3, where I show you items that I got that I will be listing in my Poshmark closet, which I will have linked down in the description below. These items I am especially excited about because these items are going to get me to 12,000 listings on Poshmark. I'm about 20 away. Let's get into some of the items that I got to put into my Poshmark closet. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you were to subscribe. The first item I have is this Calvin Klein dress. I love this one because it has a lot of stretch in it and the sleeves are a nice detail. The next item is a 41 Hawthorne. I love the brand 41 Hawthorne. I think this shirt is a really nice dress shirt that you can dress up or dress down. 41 Hawthorne is sold in Stitch Fix boxes, and I have another 41 Hawthorne shirt. This one is black, and it has some cool sleeve detail on the back of it. This is a J. Crew plaid top. It is a boy fit, which is just kind of like a loose fit top, and I think these shirts look pretty awesome tied at the waist there. And then I learned this cool sleeve roll-up detail from J. Crew where you just kind of roll up as much as you can and then you flip it over and it tucks it nicely and it keeps it in place. This is another plaid shirt. This is by the brand Jack's Girlfriend, which is sold at Nordstrom. I love picking up this brand. It usually does pretty well for me on Poshmark. This is just a loft shirt. I love the detail on the sleeve. It's a black with a cream print on it. This is a Free People top, which you might have been able to guess by the design and the detail. It has a little bit of a bell sleeve, and there's the tag. This is a Zara shirt. I love the tie in the front. You could just knot it or put it in a bow. I think that looks pretty cute, just tied in a bow. And it is a size small. This is another J. Crew top. This one is by Liberty Art Fabrics for J. Crew. And you can see the print on that. It's really cute. This is a Theory piece, which is 100% silk. The quality on this piece is really nice. It's almost like a tunic length, and I like it tucked in or worn out. This is a Lululemon top, size 6, and then if you want to find the size dot on these kind of shirts, it's tucked right inside of that little pocket there, and that's a size 6. This is an Anthropologie, I think it's a dress, but it seemed a little bit short, but maybe that's just for me. It is by the brand Meadow Rue. This is a open front cardigan. I think these are nice because you can just leave it open or tie it kind of like that. This is by Velvet by Graham & Spencer. And then this was a nice find. This was by Helmut Lang. It is a really cool fabric. There's the tag. This is another piece from J. Crew, and it is a size 8. This is another Anthropologie dress. This one is so comfortable, and it has pockets, and it's almost like a sweatshirt, but it's a dress. This is by Edmé and Ethelite. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but that's what it looks like. This is another J. Crew piece. I didn't realize I had so many J. Crew pieces in this haul. It's rumpled French terry. I think it has some linen in it. And these are some lucky booties. I'll start buying booties or sweatshirts or even jackets any time of the year. I really love listing these kind of things around August, September. These are 2 pairs of Lululemons that I found. They are both a size 4. Those ones are really cool because they're kind of like an ombre print. And then I like those because they're pink. This is another J. Crew piece. It is like leggings. And these are a size 2, which I'm usually a size 6, but J. Crew kind of runs a little bit big. This is a Nike jacket. It's kind of like a bomber jacket, but not quite. Here I have a couple of other recent hauls that I did. If you would like to continue watching hauls, you can click on one of these. So I have a playlist of 30 tips for selling on Poshmark if you are interested in learning more about selling on Poshmark. Bye friends!